You're good. Yeah, you're in it.
Okay, class. How's everybody doing today? Good?
Good.
Welcome. Thanks for coming to class, for being ready, for sitting up straight. Today, we are going to read the book, The Day the Crayons Quit. Has anybody seen this book before? No. Never? Okay, well, it's a really, really exciting book. And it's all about crayons and lots of colors. Does anybody have a favorite color? Purple. Hannah?
I like orange.
You like orange? Sam, what color do you like?
I like purple.
Awesome. Well, I like blue and I like red. So, that's awesome. So today, we are going to learn to make inferences from the supported text. Okay, everybody, let's read this together. Our I can statement. Ready? Go.
I can make inferences from the supported text.
Very good. Let's read this together. Go.
I can analyze and produce text evidence to support a text.
Awesome. We'll talk a little bit more about what this means. First, does anybody know what this means? I can analyze and produce text evidence to support the text. Justin, do you know?
So
And it's okay if you don't, because
Yeah,
that's why
that's a
we're
tough
learning.
one.
That's why we're in class.
can you repeat it again? Sorry.
I can analyze and produce text evidence to support a text.
So I think that just means that when you look at a text, you can analyze it, which means like you can look for meaning behind the text. So you can just like get like symbols or just different other kinds of meaning from the text.
Awesome. Good job. And we're going to do a PowerPoint after we read the story, and we'll talk more about this. Okay? Okay. Lastly, ready?
I can follow directions by listening to what the teacher is telling me.
What do we do this soon?
Follow directions. What my teacher tells me.
Okay. Good. Okay. Are we supposed to go in and out of teacher room? Can we?
So-
Can we? Okay.
So whatever you.
Okay, so we were supposed to put the objectives on here. Okay, so now, okay class, we are already in a circle, so I'm going to move this out of the way, and we're going to have story time, so get pumped for story time! Woo!
Oh, sorry.
Okay, but first I want you to take 10 paper cards each. We're going to play a game, okay? And we're going to draw inferences from the text that we read. And on the PowerPoint, we're going to have questions that go along with the text, okay? And this story is really fun, so I think you guys will love it a lot. So actually, I'll sit over here. And what you're going to do is when you feel like responding, I'll give you time. And you're going to write down your answers to the questions. So let's say I'll read, and then I'll say, okay, it's time to answer questions. You'll write what you think on the question card. What? We should be using crayons. I know, I don't have crayons. But sorry. But that's in there. So.
That's in your write-up, right? I should use crayon. No, I'm just kidding.
Okay. All right, everybody. Let me take this cover off. The day the crayons quit. Can everybody see? Okay. One day in class, Duncan went to take out his crayons and found a stack of letters with his name on them. See? Hey, Duncan. It's me, Red Crayon. We need to talk. You make me work harder than any of your other crayons. All year long, I wear myself out coloring fire engines, apples, strawberries, and everything else that's red. They even work on the holidays. I have to color all the Santas at Christmas and all the hearts on Valentine's Day. I need a rest. Your overworked friend, Red Crayon. Okay, guys. You guys are smart. You're advanced. Are you already answering questions? Good. So why did the Red Crayon think that he was being overworked? Is it okay to feel upset with others? What should we do when we are? When you're done, put your pencil in your lap, and that's when you know to move on.
Six minutes.
All right. Dear Duncan, all right, listen. I love that I'm your favorite crayon for grapes, dragons, and wizard hats. But it makes me crazy that so much of my gorgeous color goes outside the lines. If you don't start coloring inside the lines soon, I'm going to completely lose it. Your very neat friend, Purple Crayon. Dear Duncan, I'm tired of being called light brown or dark tan because I am neither. I am beige and I am proud. I am also tired of being second place to Mr. Brown Crayon. It's not fair. It's not fair that Brown gets all the bears, ponies, and puppies, while the only things I get are turkey dinners, if I'm lucky, and wheat. And let's be honest, when was the last time you saw a kid excited about coloring wheat? Your beige friend, Beige Crayon. You're all good? Okay. All right, you guys. Let's talk for a minute about some of the things we have noticed so far. So let's go back to our first question. Does anybody have an answer to why did the Red Crayon think that he was being overworked?
It's because like the red crayon is used for a lot of things, like coloring Santa, so he's used a lot on Christmas, and then he's also used a lot for like fire trucks. He's just used a lot.
Remember Red Crayon was upset? Is it okay to feel upset with others? What should we do? It's not okay? Why not, Chris?
Then you feel angry.
Because then what?
Then you feel angry.
Because then you feel angry. But it's okay to feel angry sometimes. You just have to express your emotions to your classmates. So Chris, if you were angry at Hannah because she stole your red crayon, you would
This has
say,
happened before.
Hannah, that makes me upset. And then you would tell her why. You guys, what does it mean? What does it mean to be neat? You remember that the purple crayon was neat? Yes or no? Thumbs up? You remember? Okay. And do you remember that the purple crayon was a little overwhelmed? And sometimes, do we feel overwhelmed? Like when we're doing something that seems really hard, or if we're doing like our math facts, and we like are having a hard time. What should we do when we feel overwhelmed?
I feel overwhelmed. I tell my mom, and then she gives me good advice.
Yeah, that's awesome. That's really good. It's good to talk to somebody, because then we're able to talk it through, and we can move forward. Because if we stay stuck and we're overwhelmed and we're upset, then we don't get our work done, right? Okay, now we're talking about beige crayon. Do we think that the beige crayon had the right to feel the way he did? Let's see. Let me read.
I would say yes, but also, what does it mean to have the right to feel?
Yeah, that's really. So you're asking if what it means to have the right to feel the way he did. So he felt left out. So to have the right to feel the way he did means he is able to feel entitled to his emotion. And to feel entitled means that he is able to feel that way. So it's like if you're able to feel sad, then that is your emotion, right? So does that make sense? Mm-hmm. Yeah. So he felt left out because he wasn't used as much as the other colors. So, but he had the right to feel that. All right, let's move. Duncan, gray crayon here. You're killing me. I know you love elephants, and I know that the elephants are gray. But that is a lot of space to color and all by myself. And don't even get me started on your rhinos, hippos, and humpback whales. You know how tired I am after handling one of those things? Such big animals. Baby penguins are gray, you know. So are very tiny rocks, pebbles. How about one of those once in a while to give you a break? You're very tired, gray crayon. Dear Duncan, you color with me, but why? Most of the time, I'm the same color as the page you're using on, white. If I didn't have a black outline, you wouldn't even know I was there. I'm not even in the rainbow. I'm only used to color snow or to fill in empty space between other things, and it leaves me feeling, well, empty. We need to talk. Your empty friend, White. Hi, Duncan. I hate being used to draw the outline of things that are colored in by other colors, all of which think they're brighter than me. It's not fair when you use me to draw a nice beach ball